Hey friends, if Alt plus F4 is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now see, Alt plus F4 does not work with all applications. It does not immediately cause your system to open the shutdown window unless you have closed all applications or minimized them are on the desktop. Now once you're on the desktop, press Alt plus F4 and it will open the shutdown window. But it will not work if the function lock is active. So in that case, you will have to make sure that you press it along with the Fn key if function lock is not active. And the second thing is that if that doesn't work, if there's an issue with the either the Alt key or the F4 key, then you can do the following. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab, scroll down, select keyboard. Make sure that all these three switches are off, then search for device manager and open the device manager and expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.